Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In video editing quick tips, today we will see a very common problem or a very common mistakes when working on multi-camera editing in Premiere. First of all, let's try to understand the problem. So in Premiere, while working in multi-camera, the screen should be like this. On left side, it's a multi-camera showing all your cameras. On this right side, it's your main screen. So whatever you select in a left side, it should be appear on right side. But sometimes you won't be able to see all the cameras on your left side. It's just a simple one camera, just like a right side. The solution to this problem is very simple. But first let's see why this problem appears in the first place. Let's see the process of multi-camera editing. Now here we are not trying to learn the detailed process of multi-camera editing, but just a quick steps how to edit a multi-camera so that you will get the idea or the gist of this problem. Now I have already taken camera 1, camera 2 and camera 3 sequences so that we will add it into this multicam sequence. Now I will copy this clip 1 from camera 1 and paste it on a multicam sequence. It is by default pasted on V1 or the layer 1 of this multi-camera. Now I will take the first footage from camera 2 and try to paste it on the multi-camera. As you see, the second clip also pasted on the first layer, but I want it on the second layer or the V2 so that I can match the first and second layer and start the multi-camera editing. So I deselect the video 1 and audio 1 layer and I try to paste the second footage. Now you can see it is pasted on the V2 or the second layer of the multi-camera sequence. Now we will try to match both these footages. Now I will take the first footage from camera 3 and I want this on video 3 layer. So I will just select V3 and deselect V2. Similarly, deselect A2 and I will paste it. So as you can see, it is pasted on video 3 layer. So now we will try to match this footage also. Yes. Now all the 3 clips are in sync. So I will select all the clips, right click on it and I will go to nest. Okay. Now this is a nested multi-camera sequence. Right click on it, go to multi-camera and enable the multi-camera. Now go to the main screen, right click, display mode and go to multi-camera mode. So as you can see, only one camera footage is showing on your left side of the screen. So this is what the problem is. So the solution is very simple. So as you can see in your layers, your multi-camera sequence is on V1 or layer 1 which is deselected. That's why you won't be able to see any cameras. Just select V1 and you will be able to see all the cameras on left side of your screen. So the layer must be selected on which you have your multi-camera nested sequence. Now the second point is, if you take your sequence on the second layer and even enable the second layer, that is V2, you won't be able to see the multi-camera on your left side. The reason is the V1 is already selected. So just deselect V1 and you will be able to see all the camera again. So you have to deselect every layer below the layer of your multi-camera sequence. If I take this sequence on V3, again the cameras will disappear. Just deselect V2 and you will be able to see all the cameras again. So I think you get the point. The solution is very simple. You just have to select or enable the layer where you have your nested multicam sequence. So I hope you understood the solution. Thanks for watching.